In this video, I will show you how to deploy a Next.js project to Netlify. Okay, so you can see I have a Next.js project created, and if I want to run this project, so let me open the terminal and then simply run this project using npm run dev. Okay, so you can see localhost 3000. So as it's a Next.js project, it will load to the localhost 3000 port. Okay, so you can see this is the website. So we'll host this website to Netlify and just orchestrate. Okay, so right now we can see I'm on my Netlify accounts, and you can see this is my accounts. You will just came to app.netlify.com and create an account. Okay, so there is two method to add project on Netlify and deploy it. Okay, the first way you can use your GitHub projects. So if you upload this project to GitHub, so then you can directly connect your GitHub to Netlify, then just add projects. Okay, so let me show you. So for example, if you want to deploy any project from GitHub, you can simply click this add new projects, then import a Git repository, click this GitHub, and then you will have to authorize it. Okay, when it's done, look, you will just choose all repository or choose a only a specific repository. From here you can just say you have all the repository available here. You can just choose a specific repository. For example, which repository I will just choose this. For example, this repository, I just choose this and then click install. Okay, so it will now just configure all of these stuff. So you can see all of these thing, and if you click this deploy, it will work. Okay, so this is one way how you can deploy a repository. Okay, so now let me show you another easier way what you can do. So you will simply click this add a projects, then go to upload your projects. So if you have a local projects, you can simply just click here and upload your project. For example, this is the zip folder of this current project. You can simply upload this, and now you can see, so building and deploying, it takes few seconds to complete the whole process. Okay, we'll have to wait. So now you can see it's building all of this stuff. The initialization is going to progress. Okay, so initialization complete. Now it's building. So deploying complete, cleanup, and post processing. Okay, so this is the last step. Okay, finally preprocessor completed, and you can see open production deploy. If you click here, you will get a URL. So this is the URL of your live site. I can see everything is working perfectly. If I go to this project details section, you can see it's also working. So here everything is fine. If I click to add to cart, it's added to the cart. So right now, I think if I go to this section, it will work. If I go to checkout, also working. If I click sign in, you can see sign in option is here, create account also available. Okay.